welcome to Top Cookery with me, ashleydelazouch. Today I have been inspired by the wonderful Pancake song to make a video to show you YouTube people how to cook properly. And the thing I often get most asked to cook is steak. And so today we will show you how to cook the perfect steak. Steak is easy to cook, but it is also easy to get wrong. First of all, you must make sure you get the good steak. I have got some very nice steak here from Summerfield, which of course is owned by your chef Jamie Oliver. I am a big fan of Jamie Oliver. He cooks very, very good. First of all, we need to open the steak. Aha, easy. Next, what most people do not know is that you must let the steak breathe. So give it 10 minutes on a plate on the counter. Let the steak breathe, and then it will be delicious. Breathe, steak, breathe. Listen, can you hear it breathing? Next, we season the steak. A little sea salt. The other side too, of course, the other side. Season with sea salt. My hands are covered in olive oil. Zut alors. And the cracked black pepper. Some pepper, so. Oh, it will be a tasty steak. Yes, indeed, a tasty steak. Pepper. There we go. Next, my friends, you must have the hot heat. Ah, right. We will just let that heat up for a moment. Okay, now the pan is hot enough. You can tell it is hot because of the smoke which is arising from it. And so, into the pan with the steak we go. Remember, no oil in the pan, but just in the steak. Oil on the steak and not in the pan. Okay, here we go. While the steak is cooking, I normally like to relax. Normally I just sit and perhaps I will write a little song or something. A little song. Steak is so delicious, you can eat it with many sauces. Although a cow has died, I don't have no remorses. I would like to eat steak every day. If you don't like steak, you must be gay or vegetarian, I suppose. Hit it!
Sheep they may be fluffy, but cows they are more tasty. They're like pancakes, but meaty. But let's not be too hasty, cause while my steak is tasty, I must adore costs avoid the onslaught of artery clogging cholesterol.
And that is it. 4 minutes per side. Now the steak is cooked to perfection. Okay, so the steak is now cooked, but of course The test, as always, is in the eating. Here we are, and it certainly looks very good. Let's taste it. That is disgusting. Jamie Oliver, I hate you.